Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tan Art. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends who want to learn drawing. Alright, today we are learning different anime eye shapes. Anime are very important because they show emotions, personality and style. Let's start. So starting from this eye is very basic anime eye shape. First, I draw a smooth curved line for the upper eyelid. In anime drawing, the upper line is usually darker and thicker. Now I draw a big circle for the iris, and after that I add the pupil in the center and couple of small highlights to make the eye look shiny. Finally, I add some light shading around the iris and a few small eyelashes on the side, and that completes. Here's the first eye. Now moving the second one. I This one is little different because it is more narrow and vertical. First, I sketch two lines that create slightly sharper shape. Then inside the eye, I draw the iris, but this time it is a bit taller and instead of perfectly round. I add the purple and a highlight. Again, highlights are very important because they are make the eye feel alive and reflective. Uh, all right. going forward to the next one. Now, let's look at the third eye. This eye style is more soft and calm looking. The upper eyelid has a gentle curve and the bottom line is very light. Inside the eye, I draw a large iris again, but this time I had soft shading on the side to create a gradient effect. This style is commonly used for kind or peaceful anime character. Let's move on to third. Oh, no, not third. It's the fourth. Yeah. This one has larger highlights. First, I draw the basic eye shape again with the strong upper line. Then I draw the iris and add big shiny reflection. These highlights create a sparkly anime effect, which is very common in cute anime characters. Then I shade the rest of the iris darker so the highlights stands out more. Now moving to the the eye shape is next eye. The eye shape is slightly sleepy or relaxed. The upper eyelid is a little heavier and the bottom line curved softly. Inside the iris, I had add some blue shading, starting darker near the top and lighter at the bottom. This gradient helps the eye looks more realistic even in anime style.